Oh man, that shit smells strong as fuck. God damn. These are pretty smelly. Yo, I'm so fucking scared. Oh my god. Rate it out of 10. Ooh, that's pretty high. Yo guys, welcome to Recipe Roulette. Today we're gonna be making instant noodles recipe roulette, specifically indomae. If you don't know, indomae makes instant mee goreng noodles. Mee goreng is Indonesian stir-fry noodles, and some of the things that go into that make mee goreng, the staple ingredients that go into it are sweet soy, fried shallots or onions, a little bit of veggies, commonly cabbage and bean sprout, and usually just a little bit of sugar to round out the flavor. So I'm gonna have 2 attempts at hopefully making a good dish. The system I'm going to use to build this recipe is from the seasoning packs that came from the instant noodles. We're going to be looking at the flavor profiles of each one. For example, the seasoning powder, this one right here, would be umami, salty, and sweet. And it also comes with a bit of sugar to balance out the dish. It's 6 grams to be exact. Out of the 5 seasoning packs, we're only going to be using 3 of them. The remaining 2 that we aren't using, we'll be replacing them with ingredients that have a similar flavor profile. So the 3 that we will be using are the sweet soy, doop, boop, doop, fried onions, this one right here. I don't know if you can read that. Let me try to, fried onions, and flavoring oil. And the 2 that I'll be replacing are the chili sauce and the seasoning powder. And oh, real quick, depending on where you live, you might not get the chili sauce. So it'll just come with these 2 and these 2 as well. For, I think, just regions that don't typically like a bit of spice. So for the chili sauce, I've pre-picked ingredients that have a spicy flavor profile. For the first dish, I've picked Takis. This definitely has some spice, but I also see that it has some lime, so that might work in our favor. Add a bit of sour to the dish. For the second, I picked something that is spicy but also has that bit of sweetness to round out the dish. It's sriracha mixed with a bit of ketchup. Something a bit simple. Now to replace the seasoning powder, we're going to spin my umami wheel twice to pick 2 different umami ingredients. I'm choosing to pick 2 instead of just 1, just to add a bit of more complexity to the dish, make it a bit more fun. Everything I picked for my umami wheel were ingredients that should be relatively easy to get at your local store. And yo, big shout out to my girlfriend. Check these fucking illustrations out. She drew every single one of these and I'm just so happy with how they turned out. Big shout out to my girlfriend. Yeah. So we're gonna spin for the first one, the Taki indomae noodles. So let's see what we get for our 2 umami ingredients. Bow! Oh shit, that was a little aggressive. Okay, so first one we got Worcestershire. Alright, for the second one, for the first dish, let's go!
Because I make fish with y'all. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with y'all.
Fish sauce. Worcestershire fish sauce. Okay. Fish sauce. I like fish sauce because it has a lot of saltiness to it, so this might turn out pretty good. So for the second one, for our sriracha ketchup indomie noodles, let's see what 2 umami we get. Pow!
Lots of fake chicks try to act like they knew
Ooh,
me.
dashi. Okay, dashi. Second one, let's go!
And my two-piece, blow a kiss, make them wish they had this two-piece.
Oh, fish sauce. We already got fish sauce, so let's spin it one more time. Reroll. Yeah!
And my two-piece, blow a kiss, make them wish they had this two-piece.
Tomato paste. Dashi tomato paste. Okay, so first one, we have Taki indomie noodles with Worcestershire and fish sauce. Second one, we have sriracha ketchup indomie noodles with dashi and tomato paste. This might need a bit more salt. I might have to add a bit more salt for this one. Making pancakes, making pancakes. sure I just get the chili seasoning oil and the sweet soy. None of that chili oil or the seasoning powder. Okay, there we go. All right, first one was taki noodles. Taki. I got my fried egg over here. They didn't turn out too good because it seems like all my pans do these days. My non-stick pans, all they do, it seems like they just fucking stick all day. These are my eggs. For the first ones, we got our taki noodles. So for the chili and for the spicy and the sweet portions of it, I'm gonna use some take. Take. That's about like 1.5 tablespoons of of crushed up takis. I'm gonna put a dash of this shit. I have Worcestershire. Wow. Okay, that was like a teaspoon. A teaspoon of Worcestershire. And now for the fucking saltiness, salty umami flavor. Okay, that's good. That's good. Ooh, I'm a little scared of this one. Fuck. Okay, and for the second one, it was some dashi. Damn, I can smell that fish sauce already. This is about. That's like a dash. That's like half a teaspoon too. Oh man, that shit smells strong as fuck. God damn. These are pretty smelly. All right, and we got our sriracha ketchup concoction right here. About a tablespoon of that. About a tablespoon. That's about a tablespoon. And then last but not least, tomato paste. Okay, tomato paste. I think it's gonna need a bit more salt. I'll put a bit of salt. Okay, let's mix it up. Let's see how these turns out. I'm so fucking scared. Damn, these noodles don't look like shit. Smells real interesting. Yo, I'm so fucking scared. Oh my god. Damn, that Worcestershire smells real like. Wait, is this the tomato paste? Dude, I don't know. My nose, they are fucking going crazy. They don't know what fucking is what anymore. Make sure I get all of that. Don't waste any of that good shit. I'm just gonna top it off with some more crushed take. Okay, not too much because we already got a good amount in there. Okay, bow. Yeah, I'm gonna get these fucking crunchy bits. You ever get these like fried ass bits? Yo, make sure to collect that. That's just like crunchy egg flavor right there. It's good. Add some textures to your dish. It's mad good. I also have a little bit of green onions, so I'm gonna use to top it off. Okay, some green onions back. Okay, all right, and that's it. That's fucking it. We're done. Okay, now that we're done, it's time for the potato sniff test. Oh shit! Let's see how many sniffs. Oh, nose going crazy. Oh shit! She just sneezed all over my shit. Yeah, fuck. Okay, second one. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, I don't know. That was a close one. That's a fucking close one. Okay, let's try it out. Let's taste it. Let's taste this bad boy. Okay, I'm so scared. Tacos do a lot to this. I'm tasting a lot of different things. It's so weird. There's like a little bit of sourness to it as well. It's so weird. It needs a bit more salt though. I'm gonna add more salt. It's a lot better. Yo, this is so weird. I can't. Everything tastes like it's supposed to be together. It tastes like seafoody Takis. I know that's weird, but that's what it tastes like. Okay, gonna go for the second one. Things that taste a lot is definitely the tomato paste. That's coming through a lot. But not so much of the sweetness. I think maybe I should add a bit more ketchup. I'm gonna just add a bit more ketchup. I kind of thought this would end up like the Asian sweet like spaghetti noodles. If you've been to Jollibee's, they got the sweet spaghetti, and that shit's fucking good. But I thought that's how this would turn out. Not so much. I think that ketchup definitely helped. Let's see what my girlfriend thinks. Sniff, sniff, sniff.
Smells good.
Yeah, you think so? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Is the Takis like they have the lime on it?
That's what I was thinking.
Really?
Oh, this is with lime. Okay, that's interesting. Okay.
It makes it better, I think.
Yeah, it definitely helps a lot. You like this one? Mm-hmm. Rate it out of 10.
Yeah, 8.
8? Ooh, that's pretty high. God damn, okay. 7 out of 10. Solid 7. I don't know if I make this again or try it again, but maybe. I don't know. You're just not really able to put your finger on it because there's not really much things out there that remind me of this. This one just maybe like the spaghetti that comes from Jollibee's. And if y'all have any recommendations on what y'all want to see on my umami wheel, put them in the comments. I'd be happy to switch it up. If you guys had fun checking my channel out, checking this video out, please consider subscribing. Peace.